Every once in a while, the PGA Tour is greeted by a furry friend or a feathered fan, and sometimes an angry alligator that steals the spotlight. Here's the top 10 animal encounters on the PGA Tour.
We've figured out our next big break challenge. We'll call it the Swarm. See if you could strike a putt with killer bees in the area.
Look at these golfers. Hit the deck, incoming. Incoming Yellow Jackets.
Oh, what a moment. You just don't see that every day.
We'll take a look at this duck trying to chase down Chesson Hadley's golf ball. He's trying to get out of there. So Josh's caddy decided to dispatch of this duck like the UCLA Bruins did my Oregon Ducks from the Pac-12 championship. Look at this. How about a little crunchy granola bar? There you go.
That's excellent course management right there by the caddy, isn't it?
Over at the 16th, Andrew Luke getting a look at that, the iguana trying to eat his ball at 16.
Come on, push it back to the hole. We've seen the Seagull at the TPC. Steve Lowry, 1998 Seagull at 17, picked up the ball, tried to fly off, dropped it right in the lake. Look at this little fella run.
Look what our camera captured just a short time ago, a falcon or hawk or whatever it is developing an affection for one of our microphones. He is bound and determined to haul that thing off, but he just can't get it from the tethered spot where it's at. And look, he's mad. Look at the look on his face.
I think it's a red-tailed mouse, but doesn't taste like polyester. Doesn't taste that great.
That'll ruffle your feathers. Had enough of this. I'm out of here.
Talk about an up-close and personal experience with nature. That's Davis Love III, flirting with disaster.
He's trying to take a picture of it. He's got his camera on his mobile phone.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Oh, check it. Oh, this poor fella hasn't got an arm. He hasn't got a leg.
Tripod, they call him, I think.
Yeah,
Is that the famous alligator
he's the
here?
famous one.
Over to 16.
Danny, this is the turtle that was going the other direction earlier in the day.
But it's like, don't jump, don't jump.
Well,
don't do it. I'm going in.
Yeah, he's going for it.
Oh, that was a beauty.
Let's take a look at this in super slow-mo.
You know, we need our Olympic diving analyst Cynthia Potter here with us to score this. You know, he was a little short on the landing, Gary.
Splash was way too big.
Splash way too big. That's going to cost him.
Good play with a two-shot lead, a good play. It's not close to the hole, but it's on the surface.
It's closest to the turtle, though. Are you kidding me? The turtle getting the reaction from the crowd.
He might lay a few eggs alongside it.
This is a tough group. There you go.
They usually,
That's what I think of you.
It's the turtle's moment on national TV. And, well, I guess if nature's going to visit, nature might as well call.
There's a ball down there. Looks like it belongs to Brian Gay. That's the alligator coming. But there's also an alligator down there. That's Kip Henley, Brian Gay's caddy. This was the situation. Oh my, look at that. Trying to get the alligator out of the way. Kip Henley, you are earning your pay this week, pal. That's amazing. He's a brave. He's still not going anywhere at this point. That's above and beyond the call of duty for a tour caddy.
Wait a minute. There's Davis Love. Sammy the Squirrel is Lindsey Vonchek's. Don't turn around. Don't turn around. He's like, what the heck? What do you guys? How can we cut away from that?
We just go over to Gary Koch. I think.
Well, we have a new hazard at 17. Look at this. I believe that's the ball of Steve Lowry, and this Seagull is, he wants to take it home for a souvenir. I mean, look at this. He's moved it all around the green. Now he flat whip. Yep, we've got it. We have liftoff. Oh, no.
Does that count as an official ball in the water?
I don't know. I think it was safely on land at one point.